Very riot. This one is eating. This one is eating. And the rest are feasting with the soup of the fish. We cannot even see the soup. Only their heads. Since they're big already. Huh? What happened, yeah? What happened, yeah? It's not what it is. About 9 years ago, when you were yet 2, you and Sassy. Ba't lang ni mo? Una mag-yun ni mong ngurob ni mo. Ay, pangamrot ya. Ayaw ya. Hindi na ba na mo respeto ya? They are the first to rescued. He is the first after 2 years pala alam no? Na si Sassy. Hi. Ib. And the scavengers. The scavengers. This is Jade. Pound. Yes. Gain. And the Calicos are the scavengers. Here's another one. Ganyan. See? What happened? The Calico or the Tuxedos are the ones that don't mingle with them when it comes to having a riot on eating. We can understand because they seldom were able to eat this. Oh, gani. Yeah, una. Wala. Ikaw mo'y gahatag. Si Stripe mo kakaon. Wala nakakaon siguro sa healthy. Mura mo kayong niyari siya pa rin napita pag umaniya. Makmak. What? Wagi, undang-undang sa simod ang yeso. Oh! Don't you have time to breathe for a while? Huh? What's that? Ay, pag-ihi na sa diha.
Strike.
Wala pa niya pa kung mag-live humantong bayan. Hi, wam.